Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to report a server on Discord. So for example, you have a problem with a server, perhaps it's NSFW, perhaps it's, there might be some issues on the server, and basically you don't want the issue to be there, and which is why you want to report the server. Now, Discord reporting isn't the same as, per se Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. It's not as, the impact isn't as grave, and neither can you always, report the server. So for example, I'm in this public server, right? It's a public server, anyone can join. So while leaving the server, it should give me a prompt on how I can report the server. So you're gonna press on and then you're gonna leave. Once you leave, it's gonna ask you, can you tell us why? Like, why did you leave? So here you can basically put in the report, like, server content are made me uncomfortable. There's no activity in this server, or other. You can press other and choose what you want, but for me, I didn't want to join the server, so which is why I'm gonna leave it. That's the reason why I left, so I'm just gonna select that, and the feedback has been submitted. So this is basically your report system for Discord. You can report only public servers. For example, I have this, I can't even leave it because it's my own channel, but for example, I have this like, servers like this, which are private servers. We can't report them because they're private for a reason, right? But yeah, other than that, you can report public servers after leaving. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.